The infamous zoom eyes are those wild bursts of energy when cats sprint around the house like little tornadoes. It's completely normal behavior, a way for them to release pent-up energy. To help channel that excitement, interactive playtime is key. Use feather wands or laser pointers to mimic prey and engage their hunting instincts. Not only does this tire them out, but it also provides mental stimulation. So, grab a toy and join in on the fun. Your cat will thank you, and you might just get a good laugh out of their playful antics.